Let us try creating a new stack by importing a spreadsheet. Choose Import a Spreadsheet when adding a stack. Choose your CSV file from your cloud or offline storage, and a new stack will be created and all your data will automatically be filled under respective columns. You can also create a new stack or a table by pasting data directly from Google Sheets. Simply copy the cells from your Google Sheets. Create a new table or stack. Choose Import a Spreadsheet and paste your data. When you paste the data, your column headings will automatically be identified along with your rows. Click Done and you'll find all your data imported directly into your new stack or table. Once you have your data, you can configure or convert column type to suit the data you need to represent, like long text for descriptions, single option drop-down lists for status, multiple option drop-down lists for multiple tags, currency for tracking budget, attachments for files, ratings, checkboxes, formulas, and many more. That's how easy it is to configure columns, and there are over 25 rich column types to choose from. Let's take a look at the different column types in the next one.